this. As long as we don't mix up our heads, we're good. Okay, so what do you think is inside of here?
Putty.
Putty. One time
Sure you
use.
don't want to do this tomorrow? You sure you don't want to do this tomorrow?
It doesn't matter because we need to get it done. It's going to have to sit for a day anyway, so might as well start.
It says it needs to sit for a day before you introduce heat into it. Excessive heat. It says let sit for 2 to 3 hours. It'll set up in 2 to 4 hours.
Well, it's going to be setting up while I'm not here.
It says 2 to 4 hours.
If I had some nails, I could probably pull this off, but...
We have pliers for that. We're in a machine shop. We have knives and stuff. See? We have things that open.
Ooh. It's got liquid in there.
Yeah. So how are you supposed to mix that?
It's going to be a one-time use. We don't need that much.
Right.
We're barely putting anything on there.
Mm-hmm. When did you buy this, Tatro?
2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago?
Mm.
I don't know how we're supposed to mix this shit.
I just said the same thing. I don't understand.
It's going to be wasting the whole damn container. But it's already open. I don't know if it would sit anywhere on the shelf, but it's going to turn it to hard.
Mm-hmm.
But we definitely don't need, we only need almost nothing. Literally, it needs nothing. I don't know how you'd mix it though.
Right. Not understanding that theory there.
Well, I hate being wasteful, but it is what it is.
Does it feel like a chalk?
It's hard in the background.
Mm-hmm.
Feels hard back there
Mm-hmm.
because the liquid was on the front, so the front part was softer than the back. Get rid of this. It's all stuck up like a rock on the back side, but once you get the liquid in that,
It loosens it up a little bit.
it's definitely hard down there. This is not the correct mixing tool.
Yeah, so too.
Yeah.
What is the correct mixing tool?
Bigger than this one. This is not the right tool. See the rocks on that?
I hear it.
What did I do with the other screwdriver? Thought I had it out already. I already pulled it out to use it. So you make sure you clean the oil off it. Clean shirt. Still got the horn on when I used it last time. This was a brand new shirt. The first time I used it, I just turned it black. Brand new shirt. Now it's my honing shirt. One of a couple I have. I got a couple of shirts.
It's specifically honing shirts.
Yeah, the honing smell doesn't go away either. Well, yeah, this is like rock in here. You can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is going to be a one-time use.
That's what it looks like
There's a
now.
lot of waste here. I forget what this stuff cost. 15, 20 bucks, I don't remember.
Be good for sealing cases.
Yeah.
You never get them apart.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
JB well does chip off if you hit it. Just try to pop it. It doesn't bond as good as I think it does. So what's our work time? 2 hours?
Yeah, it says it'll set up in 2 to 4 hours.
Well, so you got plenty of work time.
Depending on, then I'm guessing that varies on how thick it is.
Looks like you get about 2 ounces.
Yeah.
We need how much?
Half an ounce.
Even that. Got a lot of smearing. We have some extras, so we're going to make sure it's on there good. I don't know if it's going to run away, though. It might run away.
Does it feel wet enough to?
Pretty hard. The JB well's pretty hard, too, but it runs.
Yeah.
Making my wrist tired. Simple stuff like this, my wrists aren't used to working, so they haven't built their strength back up yet.
Do you believe it is thoroughly mixed?
Yes, but I'm still mixing it anyway. You still hear the gravel in there.
I hear it. I hear
I'm
it.
trying to get the mix up into it, but it doesn't seem to be getting any better. They didn't say it was fucking 80 grit. Okay.
You know, is this flathead going to act as our active applicator as well?
I don't think so. No. We have a different device for that.
Oh, we have a piece of cardboard? No?
Yeah. Right here.
Oh, we have a finger for that.
You want to make sure the whole surface is matted. Get a good contact on it. Make sure it sticks to it. If it doesn't contact the surface, it don't stick. So you got to make sure it's all primed on there good. See, it's got a good layer on there.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, that's about all we need too. So we'll come by and put a little bit thicker layer on it.
Give it a double layer, Tatro. Give it a double.
We can give it quadruple layers and still have extra.
Yeah, and still have extra.
So we're putting a good layer on there like that. And we'll go ahead and do that again. Do the same thing to the head, make sure it's good and stuck. So we sandblasted this a couple days ago, so it still should be clean. We didn't do anything except blow it off, no chemicals on it or anything. Appears to be wetted pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
That appears to be wetted pretty good also. And my finger appears to be wetted. Keep the plastic away from on. Doesn't appear to want to come off.
Nope.
But an oily rag takes care of that problem.
Yeah, oily rag will take care of that fast.
Okay, this is the number 2 guide over here.
That's a one.
That's the standard, the big standard.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to
Apply our cover. Move the fitting out the way so the cover sits right. Yep.
I know it goes in there.
Right. You're too far over.
I'm too far
There you
somewhere.
go.
I can tell I was too far somewhere because it wasn't going. It was having nothing to do with what's going on. Tighten it up just a little bit. Okay, now we got our guide. So that's going to go into there. We have some extra material, so.
Put it on there, make sure it seals.
Yeah, just got some on there. Got a bunch in the hole. I think we got enough on there. Okay. That is down all the way.
Yeah, that was solid.
And that was that went in there nice and cleanly. Smeared a bunch of it all over the place down there. It almost plugged the hole up with that.
Yeah, it tried to.
So we have to get in there some paper and wipe that out, but we can do that. Okay. So I need some paper. I need some toilet paper for that one. Okay, we got the nice triple layer, super soft, good stuff, not that single ply crap everybody else uses.
Mm-hmm.
So start there on the top, work our way down. Hopefully none of it goes in the hole. Give me the fine tip over there. Make it be a rubber tip. Actually, yeah, let's swatch these out. Got a new leaky airline here. Out.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't change that yet, did we?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so that definitely had some crap coming out of there. That would probably not be a good thing to be in there.
No.
Okay, let's spin that around anew. There's something down in there. Something. Looks like a rock.
Mm-hmm.
Good airflow. Okay.
One down.
That definitely had a lot of crop that stayed in there. Next time around, it didn't get any more goop on it, so we got it out. Okay. That's in there, pulled in. Make sure our cover is going there too.